Hey guys, this is Aleroart and welcome to another process art video. Welcome. This video is very awesome because I'm adding more content to it. Besides it being a page and a promo drawing, I have a little bit extra where I'm showing a bonus page and then a little bit more of the content of the rough to the finalized drawing, as well as to bonus promo illustrations of some characters to come along, as well as characters there before. And of course, this is Power Punch Bootcamp: A Monsters Unleashed Part 2, written and created by the very awesome Ellie Egginton. And drawing these illustrations in Clip Studio is just one of those things that I'm like, well, why not just keep this to myself? Let's share this. So, hope you guys dig this. So, from this point on, I'm just going to be adding a little bit more content. And for you guys being so awesome and supportive, I just thought it'd be cool. Any feedback on that would be great. I just want to hear what you guys think of this. The book is in progress. We are not at the finish line to say, but we got a lot of pages and it's exciting. It's exciting for Ellie, it's exciting for me, and hope you guys are digging this. So, more to come. As always, grateful for you guys to dig and support this. Take care.